Welcome to Bite to Delight. So today we are going to share Christmas rum cake recipe. For that, we had soaked the dry fruits in rum and I've shared a previous video with that. So now you can see that the dry fruits are well soaked. Let's get started with the cake. For that we need butter 50 grams, dry fruits 2 teaspoon, tutti frutti 1 teaspoon, plain flour or maida 200 grams, orange juice 1 tablespoon, powdered sugar 180 gram, eggs 3 whole eggs, flavorless vegetable oil 50 gram. We start by chopping the nuts into small pieces. Here I am taking almond and walnut. You can take any other nuts that you want. After we chop them into small pieces, we put it aside and start with softening the butter. So I take the butter in a bowl and I mix it well. Now that the butter is softened a bit, I add the vegetable oil to it and again give it a good mix till oil and butter is well combined. Now I go ahead and add the powdered sugar and whisk it all together till it becomes creamy. This will take some time. So whisk it all together well and it will give you a creamy consistency like this. Now we add the eggs one at a time and mix it well with the batter. Now that the eggs are well combined, we go ahead and add the other ingredients into it. So we take the plain flour or maida and add into it baking powder half a teaspoon and garam masala 1/4 teaspoon. Garam masala works as the all spices mix that we normally use for Christmas cake. Now we give all of this a good mix and combine it all together and keep it aside. Now as you can see that the dry fruits have soaked the rum completely. For you, if it doesn't soak, it's okay. You can just take the fruits out and mix it into the batter. Here I am taking 3 tablespoons of the dry fruit mixture. Now we go ahead and add the chopped dry fruits and tutti frutti into it. If you haven't soaked your dry fruits yet, you can just soak it overnight and use it for your cake. For that, I'm going to link the recipe of the soaking of dry fruits in the description box. Now we mix everything together. Now we go ahead and add the flour mixture into the batter. Now after adding the flour, we switch to spatula and we gently fold the batter. Be very careful not to overmix the batter. With a light hand, keep folding the batter with a spatula. As you can see that the batter is coming together. Just keep folding like this and everything will get mixed together. But do not use a whisk or a blender at this point. Now we add the orange juice, 1 tablespoon of orange juice and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then we again fold the mixture very gently and incorporate the orange juice and the vanilla essence into it. As you can see that the batter has come together really well. At this point you can taste the batter for the sweetness as well. Now we take a cake tin and we lightly put oil on it, very lightly, and after that we are going to add a parchment paper to it. Do not add too much oil. It is just for the parchment paper to stick at the bottom, and try to leave little bit of paper outside as well. It will make it easier for you to pull out the cake from the tin. Be careful with the corners. Now it's all set. Now we add the batter into this cake tin. Tap the batter to release any air bubble that might be inside. This gives you an even baking. Now we add the rest of the dry fruits and tutti frutti into a bowl, and to that we add little bit of powdered sugar. What it does is it will not let these dry fruits sink into the batter when you bake it, and we are going to sprinkle this on top of the batter. The powdered sugar doesn't let it sink. Now that the batter is ready, you can preheat your oven for 15 minutes and then bake this for 150 degrees Celsius for 45 to 55 minutes, or till a skewer comes out clean. The cake is done. Now I go ahead, and this is an optional step, you can skip it, but I like to do this. So I poke holes into the cake and then I take a teaspoon of rum liquor and I pour on top of it. This keeps the cake moist and it brings a very beautiful flavor. And that's it, your rum cake is ready to be served. I hope you all liked this recipe. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays.